güzel.
Hello everybody, welcome to Hub English. In this video we are going to study Unit 10 and the name of the unit is Animals. Evet, ünitemizin adı Hayvanlar. So why don't you dive in? In this unit we're going to express abilities. Bu ünitede yapabildiğimiz, yapamadığımız şeyleri ifade etmeyi öğreneceğiz. We're gonna express likes and dislikes. Hoşlandığımız, hoşlanmadığımız şeyleri ifade edeceğiz. And we're going to make simple inquiries. Sorular sorup cevaplar vereceğiz. And of course, we are going to learn the names of animals. Ve de tabii ki hayvanların isimlerini öğreneceğiz. Let's get started with a listening track. I want you to listen to the names of the animals and repeat them.
Cow, donkey, horse, duck, spider, goat, lion, elephant, monkey, snake.
Maybe some of you already knew these animal names. Belki bazılarınız önceden bu hayvanların isimlerini biliyordunuz. But if you didn't, now you have an idea. Eğer bilmiyorduysanız şu anda bir fikriniz oldu. In this activity you will hear some animal sounds. Bu aktivitede bazı hayvan sesleri duyacaksınız. And you need to order the pictures according to what you hear. Ve duyduğunuz seslere göre bu resimleri sıralamanız gerekiyor.
1. Duck. 2. Lion. 3. Cow. 4. Elephant. 5. Monkey.
Let's listen to the track once again. This time I will do the exercise as well. This way you can also check your answers.
1. Duck. 2. Lion. 3. Cow. 4. Elephant. 5. Monkey.
Another listening, bir başka dinleme. This time we are going to hear a dialogue. Bu defa bir diyalog dinleyeceğiz. Please look at the pictures and try to hear the sentences. Lütfen resimlere bakın ve cümleleri duymaya çalışın.
Look, I'm a lion. I like lions. Roar! Aw, I don't like snakes.
Meow. I am a cat. I like cats. No, Rocky, I don't like cats. I love you.
We're gonna listen to the track once more, but this time with captions. Evet, bir kere daha dinleyeceğiz ama bu defa konuşmaları yazılı olarak da göreceksiniz.
Look, I'm a lion. I like lions. Roar! Aw, I don't like snakes.
Meow. I am a cat. I like cats. No, Rocky, I don't like cats. I love you.
This is the handcraft section and you can do this on your own. Evet, bu el işi çalışmasını kendiniz yapabilirsiniz. First, you need to fold the paper in two. Then, draw any animal you want. It can be a cat, a rabbit, a dog, a duck. Then you need to cut the paper and at the end of it, you will have something like this. Activity 5 is a true-false exercise. We're going to listen to a track about likes and dislikes, and we're going to decide whether these sentences are true or false.
Lily likes ducks. Sophie doesn't like horses. Jay doesn't like snakes. Adam likes cows.
Let's listen to the track once again, and this time I will be doing the exercise as well.
Lily likes ducks. Sophie doesn't like horses. Jay doesn't like snakes. Adam likes cows.
Now I want you to be all ears because these sentences are about abilities. Evet, şimdi çok dikkatli dinlemenizi istiyorum çünkü dinleyeceğiniz cümleler yapabildiğimiz şeyleri ifade ederken kullandığımız cümleler.
I am a bird. I can fly.
I am a kangaroo. I can jump. I am a monkey. I can climb.
I'm a horse. I can run.
Cümlelerde dikkatimizi çekmiştir. Yapabildiğimiz şeylerden bahsederken I can ifadesini kullanıyoruz. I can fly, uçabilirim. I can jump, sıçrayabilirim, zıplayabilirim. I can climb, tırmanabilirim. I can run, koşabilirim. Peki yapamadığımız şeyleri nasıl anlatacağız? Onun için de I can't ya da I can't ifadesini kullanıyoruz. Örneğin I can't fly, uçamam. I can't walk, yürüyemem. Now you will hear some sentences about what animals can do. Şimdi hayvanların ne yapabileceklerine dair bazı cümleler duyacaksınız. If you think they are correct, tick yes. If you think they are wrong, tick no. Doğru olduğuna inanıyorsanız yes'e, yanlış olduğuna inanıyorsanız no'ya tick koyacaksınız.
1. Monkeys can jump. 2. Snakes can walk. 3. Fish can dance. 4. Horses can run.
Let's listen to it again and this time do the exercise together.
1. Monkeys can jump. 2. Snakes can walk. 3. Fish can dance. 4. Horses can run.
Song time. We're going to listen to the song and sing it together.
I am a gorilla, ooh, ooh, ah. I can jump, I can climb a tree, but I can't swim in the sea. I am an elephant, stomp, stomp, stomp. I can walk, I can swim in the sea, but I can't fly in the sky.
Now that we have listened to our song, it's time to draw pictures. Evet, şarkımızı dinlediğimize göre şimdi resim yapma vakti. I am going to draw as well. Ben de çizeceğim. So, who is going to finish first? Önce kim bitirecek? 3, 2, 1, go! First, I'll start by drawing the gorilla. Alright, I'm drawing its head and its back. Now, and I have finished drawing the gorilla. Now I'm going to draw the elephant. This is my elephant's head. So this is the trunk. These are the tusks of the elephant. And I'm going to draw the ears now. This is one of the ears. And the eye.
And now I'm going to draw the legs. And head. Now it's finished. Now it's time to move on to the next exercise. Here they are. And voila. I have finished drawing. They don't look bad. What about your pictures?
And voila, I have finished drawing. They don't look bad. What about your pictures? Evet, ben resimleri çizmeyi bitirdim. Sizin resimlerinizin de güzel olduğuna eminim. Now it's time to move on to the next exercise. Şimdi sıradaki alıştırmaya geçme vakti. Our last listening activity, son dinleme aktivitemiz. We are going to listen to questions and answers and circle the answer that we hear. Soru ve cevapları dinliyoruz. Duyduğumuz cevapları yuvarlak içine alıyoruz.
Can you swim, Sophie?
No, I can't.
Can you climb a tree, Jay?
Yes, I can.
Shall we listen to the recording one more time? This time, please pay attention. You will see the questions on the screen. Bir kez daha dinleyeceğiz. Ancak bu defa soruları ekranda göreceksiniz.
Can you swim, Sophie?
No, I can't.
Can you climb a tree, Jay?
Yes, I can.
Dinlediğimiz konuşmalardaki gibi biz de soru cevaplar yapalım. Can you play football? Futbol oynayabilir misin? No, I can't. Hayır, oynayamam. Can you jump? Zıplayabilir misin? Yes, I can. Evet, zıplayabilirim. We have learned a lot of sentences in this unit and now it's time to use them. Evet, şimdi bu ünitede öğrendiğimiz cümlelerden bazılarını kullanma vakti. Let's take a look at the pictures and try to make sentences. In picture 1, what can we say? We can say that the cat can climb a tree. Picture 2, we can say that the bird can fly. Another picture, and this time what can we say? We can say the horse can run. What can you say about this picture? The fish can swim. And our last picture is about a monkey. We can say that the monkey can jump. In this activity, we are going to fill in the table according to the pictures, write the names of the animals, then their colors and how many animals there are in the picture. Evet, bu aktivitemizde resimlere bakarak hayvanların isimlerini, renklerini ve kaç tane olduklarını yazacağız. If you want to do this activity on your own, you can pause the video, then check your answers according to mine. Eğer bu alıştırmayı kendiniz yapmak istiyorsanız videoyu burada durdurabilir, alıştırmanın cevaplarını yazabilir ve sonra benim cevaplarımdan kontrol edebilirsiniz. Let's start. Başlayalım. what is this animal? This is a dog. And what is its color? Its color is white, of course. And how many dogs are there? There is only one dog. Sadece bir tane köpek var. So we will write one here. Our second animal is horse. So what color is the horse? The horse is brown. And how many horses are there? There are 2 horses. Our next animal is the goat. What color are the goats? They are gray. And how many goats are there? There are 3 goats. What about the next animal? They are snakes. What color are they? They are green. And how many snakes are there? There are 4 snakes. In the very last activity of the students' books, you can prepare animal masks. You can choose the favorite animal of yours and color them. I guess it will be fun. Öğrenci kitabımızın bu son aktivitesinde en sevdiğiniz hayvanın maskesini hazırlayabilir ve boyayabilirsiniz. Çok eğlenceli maskeler hazırlayacağınıza eminim. We've come to the end of the unit. So you can do the workbook pages and the check-up exercises on your own as homework assignments. Evet, ünitemizin sonuna geldik. Workbook bölümünü ve check-up sayfalarındaki alıştırmaları kendiniz yapabilirsiniz. Until next time, goodbye. Bir dahaki sefere görüşmek üzere. Hoşça kalın.